Here at Avesco we have a wide range of hinges to suit your every need. Sideboard hinges used on camper trailers and industrial equipment. Tough hinges for strength and durability. Self-closing hinges. Piano hinges for toolbox manufacture. Weld-on hinges for heavy-duty application. Lift-off hinges. Pin hinges. Blade hinges. Concealed hinges used on doors for a hidden finish. Back flap hinges. Butt hinges for general industrial work. Tipper tailgate hinges used on trucks and machinery. And Siatka hinges. So if you need a new hinge to finish a project, repair a door or gate, or even to fit a new product, visit avesco.com.au and check out our wide range of hinges available.